with Ukraine's drone army becoming an unstoppable force of its own, taking out huge amounts of equipment with little warning beforehand. All with a cheap price tag, allowing them to strike cheap as well as expensive systems. With Russia's supply chain and transportation vehicles being extra vulnerable, as they have little to no armor and can often carry infantry or explosive material, making a strike that more devastating, leaving less for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.